We have a lot of fun here, for one thing. We create an extraordinary, I think, learning environment that allows for a lot of playfulness while still really supporting a really spectacular curriculum that prepares our students for a wonderful profession in massage therapy. And that it's also an environment where people can come to really deepen into themselves and maybe discover parts about themselves that they haven't even delved into yet, because it's based a lot in the foundation of respect and kindness and compassion. And you can tell I really love this school. And that there is a foundation that's based on respect and kindness and compassion, and really a genuine interest to discover the best that's in our students, and that they respond to that and they provide that for each other as well. So often people come here and make truly lifelong friends, and that in that kind of safe environment, I think that education can only happen truly in a place of safety, that one feels safe when you're respected, when there's boundaries that are clear about communication, which we emphasize, and that's what really, I think, sets us apart. That people come here and can really take in the rigorous training that's required, but it's in a setting where people enjoy each other and enjoy the curriculum. I think being involved in the 19th month program really gives our students an opportunity to integrate, because there is a lot that goes into the education of a professional massage therapist. So there's a lot of science, anatomy and physiology. There's probably 12 different modalities of kinds of massage that people learn. And so I think having that time in between, it's like more of our weekend program, that there's space to really allow that information to settle in and be integrated, and perhaps not feel that there's time, again, to integrate the material and feel comfortable with what they're learning.